PTIE was requested over on YouTube. So like I said, I'll take a look at it at 56 cents. I pulled this one up while Joe was going through the last company to kind of get an idea of what I'm going to be looking at here. And right away, as soon as I seen it, I was like, okay, well, we might be onto something here. Zooming out here, it's been basically this channel that you've been trading off of right here. I'll go ahead and throw up this channel line. Okay, there we go. So that's going to give you guys a little bit of a better insight of the channel that I'm talking about. You guys get above that channel, look at what happened. You guys break out. Boom. You guys start riding that channel line. You come back down to the bottom, get up to the top, back to the bottom. This is what they call the ATM machine, right? Because that's exactly what it is. You sell down here, you ride it to the top. You sell down here, you ride it to the top. Look at that. That's happened consistently since beginning of November. So you got November, December, and January, almost 3 months of a consecutive ATM. This is one of those ones I like to see too. I mean, steady. Look at, you're not going straight up and you're not going down. It's just been a steady right-hand side move. Of course, yeah, you would like to see them go straight up. Some people do. Some people like to trade these channels. All right, so a channel between the 56 and 67, you can basically flip all day long. And people are, they hate them flippers. We got to get them flippers out. But you know what? The reality of the case is you have them. Okay, so when you have them, you got to deal with it. Unfortunately, but at the same time, everybody can make money off of that channel trade. So zooming into what we're seeing right now, you got outside that lower Bollinger Band when you fell through this on. Looks like it's gonna be on Friday. Okay, yeah, on Friday. You got outside on Thursday. You got outside that lower Bollinger Band right here. Got outside that lower Bollinger Band, started tapping it. Got outside that lower support, but it rejected it and came back in. Good sign, right? Watch for a bounce off that 56. We're gonna put this one on a watch for this channel trade. You're going to have a little bit of a problem when you get up here. But if this volume comes in around the 59 mark, I think that this one, if that volume starts coming in, you can make it through that 56 mark and that 61. You're going to really hit the top of that channel. So for where you're at right now, the 56 is for sure. For sure. We'll remove that, and we'll let Joe take it over from here. Joe, what do you got on this one?
All right, so Pain Therapeutics Incorporated, they develop proprietary drugs that offer significant improvements to patients and physicians. Their expertise consists of developing new drugs and guiding these through various regulatory and development pathways in preparation for their eventual commercialization. We generally focus on disorders of the nervous system, such as chronic pain. The FDA has not yet established the safety or efficiency of our drug candidates. So their latest press release was on what day was this? 1 second. It is December 20th, 2016. And it was Pain Therapeutics to discuss Ramoxi ER with the FDA. So Pain Therapeutics today announced it plans to meet with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in person on Monday, February 13th, 2017, to discuss the regulatory path forward for Ramoxi ER. The company will provide details of this FDA meeting after the receipt of final meetings minutes. So let's see. Okay. All right, so Pain Therapeutics is committed to working with the FDA to gain regulatory approval of Ramoxi ER. During the upcoming meetings with the FDA, the company plans to open a scientific dialogue around the intranasal snorting route of abuse. Ramoxi ER is a gel formulation that is not suitable for deep inhalation. The company believes Ramoxi ER's thick, sticky, high viscosity drug mass is key features of its abuse deterrent properties, recognizing that no drug can be made abuse proof. So I see that. So it's like for Oxycontin or something. So more or less a gel, so they can't snort it for like the abuse, opioid abuse. So that's that right there. And then let's see, I can go into their financial results from Q3. They don't have the 4 up yet.
Yeah, go for it. I'm going to pull up a few more, Joe. Why don't you do that?
Here. They reported financial results for the third quarter. It was a net loss in Q3 was 3.5 million or 0.08 per share compared to a net loss of in the Q3 2015 of 3.7 or the same, 8 cents per share. So as of September 30th, cash and investments were 21.8 million or June 30th, 2016, and it states the company has zero debt. We continue to evaluate the comments recently raised by the FDA with regards to Ramoxi, said Remy Barberia, President and Chief Executive Officer. We are encouraged by the preliminary feedback we have received from the internal experts in the field and look forward to announcing a new strategy after further consolidation with external advisors. So then it gives you like kind of basically their financial highlights for the Q3, which all it comes down to is numbers. But with their debt free, it really comes down to as well as how the FDA thing goes.
Okay.
But I also see on the news there was, I think that how you have people. I don't really want to get into that right now. On their news, basically it shows that there's like a law firm seeking people that like had losses or something. Let's see, deadline upcoming of an 8.5 million settlement in Pain Therapeutics Incorporated lawsuit will invest. There was a June 16th, I think it was, press release for that.
Are you gonna keep going, or
All right, so what are you up to?
is that it? Is that all you have? Okay, so that's going to be stock ticker symbol PTIE. Again, like I said, Joe gave you a little bit, 56 cents on watch for a bounce off of the 56. Needs more buying to get past the 59. After 61, it can move much higher. Again, PTIE. Head over to investorshangout.com/live and check out the live stream.